Alright, y'all. Today we're going to be learning about Newton's third law. So, for every cat action, there is an equal and opposite silly cat reaction. If you didn't notice, I sort of like cats by now. First off, shout out to the 100%ers from yesterday in Yukon. This was Fabricio, Justin, Corey, Cantrell, and Kalia in Alcorn. This was Paris, Jeremiah, Crystal, and Derek. And in Richmond, this was Skyla, Ryan, Kenesha. That is it. So shout out to you guys. Note number is this. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So think about a diver who's diving off of a diving board. His action force is the diver pushing down on the diving board. But the reason why he goes up in the air is because of the reaction force. He pushes down on the board, and then the board pushes back up on the diver, shooting him through the air, and it's an equal amount of force. Note 2. An applied force is the action force, and the reaction force happens in the opposite direction of the action force. So I know my action force is the force put on the football by the shoe. My action force is the applied force going to the football. But my reaction force is the equal force the football puts back on the foot. So if my action force is the foot to the football, my reaction force is the football back on the foot. This is why sometimes it hurts your foot when you kick a ball because of that reaction force. Note number 3. Action and reaction forces are equal in magnitude. So I know that if my action force is my thruster that's giving me 100 newtons to the left, my reaction force is going to have to be the same force but going in the opposite direction. So if you ever see something shooting through the air, the action force goes left, but the reaction force pushes my object to the right, and it's the same magnitude. Now turn to the next page and answer your practice questions.